Well, good morning. It's about 4:30 here, a little after 4:30 in the AM on Saturday morning, July 13th, 2024. Oh, yeah. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. I'm up to 115 subscribers, so yay. Yeah. Monday mornings. I know. For you, it's Saturday morning. For me, it's Monday noon, afternoon. Yeah, somewhere along in that point. I sure wish I was in the Philippines right now. Some days, the world wants to fight you. And I'd rather be in the Philippines and enjoying a beach, throwing bait at fish. Reality is, I'm still here in East Texas, or North Texas, Panhandle, having to do the evil W because, well, choices. I choose to be here because it's less painful than living under a bridge and eating out of trash cans. So I choose to get up and come here and do the evil W because, well, I want to retire and not live under a bridge, eat out of trash cans in the process of it. It's better to take and get up and do what you got to do to take and get to where you want to get. Some days, though, it does seem like it's fighting you and just trying to push you sideways or back. The question is, can you slide sideways instead of going backwards? Yeah. It's one of those days. Anyway, spilt my coffee. I mean, I know it's a good day, but how good can it be when you dump a cup of coffee? Really? Seriously. I am suffering from a coffee deficiency. Not really, but I had just went and made more, but don't like wasting coffee, and, well, that's not the only thing that's fought me today, so it is what it is. And I know that I'm not liking the therapist lady. Yeah. Is therapy really therapy, or is it more a different word, torture? Yeah. And it's like every time I move right now, it seems like something goes pop, snap, or crackle. But hey, it could have been worse. So, I'm actually sort of feeling better. Not a lot, but sort of better. Kinda. Just saying. Anyway, it is what it is. And, well, I'm dealing with it. It could be worse. So, yay. I don't know about you, but it's better to be on the positive side, even on days when the system seems to want to fight you. So, I'm positive I want to be in the Philippines instead of here. Staying positive. Anyway, yeah, it is what it is, and yeah, it is better to stay positive and continue going on. Had a busy night tonight, so yay. My boss will be happy. I sold most out. I think I got 3 rooms that didn't quite get cleaned, or something was wrong with them. So I had to move guests, and so I got 3 rooms that are empty. But hey, all the ones that weren't, did get sold. So, yay. Uh, the ones that are empty for reason, something wrong with them. Got one that a fire alarm was chirping. And, well, I've got a fire alarm sitting on my counter here. I had to pull the battery out of it because, well, it was chirping. Such fun. It is what it is. Managed to get a few things done yesterday, and that was good. I get home. I'm going to go swing by the farmer's market and see what I can get in the way of veggies. So that's something I like. I actually like going to the market. It's something I'm going to really enjoy in the Philippines. Go and get good food. It's a lot fresher when you can get it the day it's picked and cut it up and put it in your pot and cook it, or however you cook it. I don't know. Wonder how much it costs to get an air fryer over there. Because I actually like air fried. I do a lot of air fried meat. I do a lot of air fried potatoes. And even on occasion air fried various vegetables. Mix them up with a little salt, pepper, and butter on them and toss them in there and air fry them. It's not like they're steamed or boiled, but they do come out good. Surprisingly. Especially taters. So, yay. And I've even done my asparagus in there. They turned out good. Just can't cook them too long. The first batch didn't come out as good as it could have. I learned to not cook them too long. Yeah, choices have consequences. Consequences can teach you, and you get better at doing something, or you don't learn the lesson and you repeat it and suffer. Choices. Yeah. And I'm over here bobbing my head around and realizing choices. Yeah. Because my neck is sore. I'm really not liking the therapist. But I am moving more. She gave me a couple of exercises that, they are doable. They're painful. But she said she knows they're painful, but that if you do them more and keep doing them, it'll eventually get to where it's not as painful and eventually not painful. I think she's blowing sunshine up my backside, but okay, yeah. We'll see. But yeah, I've got to try to remain, better posture and build my back and neck up again. That's the hazard of having as many wrecks and such as I've had. All that damage when you were a kid. Thought, oh, it didn't hurt. I just jump up and run and go. It's okay. Interest is compounding. Take care of yourself. Because, hey, you get my age and everything hurts. Because, oh yeah, interest is compounding on all those little silly things you did when you were a kid. Yeah. Fall out of the tree, you bounced up and kept running. It didn't hurt. No, not at all. Welcome to compounding interest. Anyway, I'm going to try to get home and after getting to the farmer's market, and I I clogged my drain. So I'm going to take the electric auger bit and run it up the pipe and clean it out. So yeah, I don't know. I think I flushed a baby wipe. Yeah. They don't go down the drain as well as they should. My bad, my stupid, I wasn't paying attention. I chose not to pay attention and pulled stupid on Stupid Street. Now I'm paying the consequences and got to go out there tomorrow morning and clean out the drain. Because cleaning out drains on a Saturday morning has always been my lifelong oh, no, it hadn't. It wasn't my ambition. It's not what I wanted to do on Saturday mornings. Well, the house is older than I am, so it probably could benefit from having a auger run up a Roto-Rooter run up the pipe, clean it out. I think I'm going to run it down the pipe too, from the cutout, hit both directions, and yeah, take into a good bit of cleaning on both directions and improve things, because well, it's needed. It's an old pipe. It's older than I am. So yeah, for houses, that's getting old. I think it's actually 63, 64 years. I'll have to look at the deed again. So yeah, it's got a bit of time on me. Not much, but a bit. Anyway, I'm going to try and do that, and then while I've got the electric cord out there, maybe try to run the electric saw and see if I can get a little bit of the tree cut down. I don't know. I might also, no, I don't know. We'll see which way the wild hair carries me when I get out there, because yeah, it's going to have to be a wild hair for me to want to do much of anything this morning. I did manage to get some sleep, but I woke up all stiff and not good, so I'm blaming it all on the therapist. Yes, it's all her fault. It's not the fault that I'm old and falling apart. It's her fault. She tortured me. Yeah, that's it. She tortured me, and it's all her fault. Not. Anyway, it is what it is, and I'm hoping everybody's having a blessed weekend. Hope you're enjoying your weekend, and well, I'm going to enjoy my week, and hopefully catch up with you again tomorrow night. Morning. Anyway, this is Fish, and I'm out.